Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2019 Ford Ranger stock number 5957. This ran from 06-2015 to 04-2022. It's a P5AT 3.2 litre turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is the P5 3.2 litre diesel turbo engine. Right front headlight. Right front guard, no dents. Left front 16-inch steel wheel, good tyre. Left front mirror. Left front door, no dents. Left rear door, no dents. Left rear 16-inch steel wheel, good tyre. Left rear tail light. Right rear tail light. Rear tailgate, no dents. Right rear 16-inch steel wheel, good tyre. Right front steel wheel, good tyre. Right front headlight. Right front door card. Automatic gear shifter. AC controls. Aftermarket touchscreen stereo with satnav. Left front sun visor. Front courtesy light. Interior mirror. Factory 4-spoke steering wheel. Instrument cluster.